oldest continuous sponsor of the DYW program since 1958. I think one of the great things about this event is that a lot of these young ladies have never tried oysters before. A lot of them have never had Gulf seafood before. It's important to show off kind of our culinary side of Mobile and what we have to offer in terms of great seafood.
It was crazy. My stomach hurts a little bit now, but the oysters are really good. And I'm glad we did it. They're pretty big, a lot bigger than I expected that they would be, but you know what, we did it. We did this together.
I don't think some of them like the oysters that much, but I think a lot of them did, and certainly Abby from Delaware, she ate 52 oysters. I think this will be something she'll talk about for a long time. She won the oyster eating contest at Wintzell&apos.